So this 4-in-1 TDS meter has been a fantastic tool for keeping tabs on my water quality. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more honest reviews. While I can confidently say it's both accurate and reliable, this digital water tester combines 4 functions: TDS, EC, temperature, and salinity into one sleek device, making it incredibly versatile for all my water testing needs. Whether it's for drinking water, aquariums, or even gardening, the readings are quick and precise, and the digital display is super clear, so I know exactly what I'm dealing with. I love how user-friendly it is. With just a few taps, I get an instant snapshot of my water quality. This level of accuracy and ease gives me total confidence in my water, knowing I'm drinking clean, safe water every day. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use water tester that covers all bases, this TDS meter is a must-have. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.